Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off animals on your Rain app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then you come to settings list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down and you click here on enable settings here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on neighborhood settings. So then you come to this list here and you just click here on content settings. So then you go down here, you come here to animals, click in this sign or this color. Then like you see here, color it's gone, that's mean animals is on off now. Then you go down, you click here on play filter here, then it's going to turn off with us on your Rain app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.